Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Moli and welcome to another episode of Product That I Regret Buying. Recently I have done the part 1 of this video and most of you said that you want to see the part 2 video, and I can understand because you don't want to make a mistake whenever you are going ahead to purchase something. So I have so many regrets right in front of me, right beside me. We are gonna share all of the pros and cons, mostly the cons of these products because they don't have any pros at all. So if you want to know what are the products that I'm gonna show you in this video that I literally regret purchasing, then please keep on watching. Quick things I want to mention, that all the products that I'm gonna talk about in this video, all the products are purchased by myself with my own money, and I'm not calling it off just because they are expensive or they are cheaper. We are not gonna go down on that road right now because expensive or affordability is pretty subjective. For someone 100 rupees can be super expensive, and for someone 1000 rupees even is not expensive. We are going to talk about some other things in this video, okay? So let's get started. The first thing that I have purchased and I totally regret buying this is this Nykaa Lash Talk lashes. I have given a full in-depth review in this particular product, so if you want to check that one out, I will link it up in the eye. You can go and check it out, but I just want to say that it just doesn't worth it because it's so bad product. First of all, it has no curve. It retails for 199 rupees, but as I have mentioned that I'm not gonna go down on that road, but still I want to mention that you can get this lash with 10 rupees. This is so bad. First of all, the band of this particular product is so bad. I don't know what is wrong with Nykaa. Nykaa could have easily made some good quality lashes, but they have made this one which makes no sense. First of all, gum they have provided is of no use, like no freaking use. As a brand, I think Nykaa has a lot of potential, but this product really broke my heart because it just not applies onto the lashes just because of the malfunctioned product. As you can see, the lash is very cheap quality and it just a hassle. First of all, the portion where you will apply the lash glue is very thin. I know thin lashes are really trending right now, but this thin is not good at all because you will not be able to stick your lashes with your actual lashes and it will create a lot of hassle. You will end up ruining your natural lashes, which is not at all expected from a falsies. I will say if you're under budget, you can go for Swiss Beauty and the other lashes like the Bronson lashes. They are also very good, but literally not for Lash Talk, okay? I have purchased 2 of them and I literally regret buying, and I don't think I will go ahead and buy any lash from Nykaa now on. The next product, I have again given an in-depth review of this particular product, so if you want to go ahead and check that one out, that will be much more impactful. I have given all the pros and cons on that particular video, so you will make up your mind if you want to purchase that or not. But for now, I'm going to talk about this Swiss Beauty sunscreen spray. Oh my god, so bad product. The packaging was the first thing which actually irritates me. I don't think you should be purchasing this just because of the fact that you are getting a cream in a spray form. Although it's a very lightweight moisturizer, the texture is very light, like very watery. It's not that much thick, but still it clogs your pores. So that is something that I really want to mention. So if you have very large pores, right now I don't have any pores, so I can use this particular product. I have purchased it, so I have to use it, but still I won't suggest you guys to go for it if you haven't purchased it yet. I will suggest you, I'm sorry, but we are gonna go on, but I will not suggest you to go for this because it just makes your skin very whitish and I don't need that white effect all over on my face because it looks very bad, very bad and very unnatural. So as you can see, my complexion literally whitens, not brightens. Okay, these two are different things. So I really not into the whitening path, to be very honest, and I don't think you should as well. So I will not really suggest you to go for this product, and I really regret purchasing this because I have spent so much money for this and it just doesn't worth it. And I think Swiss Beauty makeup products are much more better than the skincare products overall. See, I have started filming this video at 1:17 a.m. not p.m. 1:17 a.m. and still I cannot speak because of the barks of the dogs. I used to film my videos at daytime. I stopped because of this particular reason, because I want the peace. So I couldn't find that particular one, so that's why I have started making videos at night, but still I couldn't speak. The situation is same. What should I do? The next product that I really regret buying, although I didn't buy it, I got this for free, but still I regret purchasing this because I could have purchased another free product, but I just wanted to try this one out, so that's why I went ahead and I chose this one. But I am talking about Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm. Already I have called their lashes off and now I am calling their lip balm off. I don't know what is happening, but it just doesn't help. First of all, why do you need a lip balm? To moisturize your lips, and it just doesn't moisturize your lips at all. Actually, I got this product when I purchased something during my birthday month, and as you know that they just give you some birthday gift if you purchase something from Nykaa in your birthday month, so that's why they gave me. But this is not a good product at all. I really like the fact that it has a very beautiful fragrance, that's why I use it, and particularly I use it during summertime because when I don't need that much moisturization on my lips and my lips are already a little bit moisturized, that time I use it, because it's just not meant for crust lips. You know, whenever you are feeling a lot of crust on your lips, it's just not gonna help you to get moisturization. So I really not recommend you guys to buy this lip balm. Juicy Chemistry, Earth Rhythm, Bare Body have created beautiful lip balm and lip scrubs. You can go ahead and buy those. I don't know if you have already purchased it, but if you purchased it, do let me know in the comment section how you felt about this product, because with me I just felt like it just doesn't work. Now we are gonna move on to some eye products, and firstly I have this Faces Canada All Time Pro eyeshadow palette. First of all, it has so many fallouts and it is so delicate. Even if you are just doing like with your brush this, like this, it will break. Like I did it for like 3 to 4 times and I literally broke most of these colors. For an expensive palette like this, I don't just expect all this, okay? They have so many kickback. The colors just blends with one another. They have this much of kickback, and I don't like this much of kickback in a palette, and this is so expensive. Again, I'm not gonna go into that route. No. Even if you are getting this for 100 rupees, you shouldn't purchase it, because once you do this, like this, the product just fell. So this is what happens every single time whenever I just go back to this palette. But they have some beautiful colors, that's why I like this palette, okay? They have beautiful purple, pink, browns, nudes, shimmers going on. So I really like this palette, but I really regret purchasing this because I can get these colors in other palettes like Nicka K or Maybelline. They create some amazing nudes as well, but for this palette I won't really recommend you guys to go for it, and I will never ever repurchase. I think Faces Canada, all in all, they hike up their prices like no one's business, and their quality is not that good, to be very honest. I didn't like their foundation, now I don't like their eyeshadow. I just fed up with this brand and I'm not gonna go back to this brand again. Next up, I have a mascara, and I was so infuriated when I purchased this mascara and I applied it for the first time. I am talking about this Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. I mean, this is such a bad product. First of all, Wet n Wild is much more better than this. Blue Heaven and Dazzler have much more better mascara than this. This is just, I don't know, this is a tinted liner. Maybe you can use it as liner. Like literally you can take an eyeliner brush and you can put down your brush into the mascara and you can just do it and you will get this. I mean, what is this? I mean, the wand is not good at all. Such a bad product. I used to love it when I had no mascara, you know. I literally had no mascara. At that point of time I bought this because all of my mascaras dried down literally. So I wanted to purchase something new mascara, new brand mascara. So that's why I went ahead and bought this. But it just doesn't give you any volume, any length, anything at all. So definitely I will not suggest you to go for Sugar mascara. For mascara, they really ended the game. I think they should reformulate it a little bit. Otherwise they can reduce the price because it's a very high price product, and with this price I don't think you can expect such thing from Sugar, because Sugar is a really good brand. And yeah, with that we are done with our part 2 of this product regret buying video. I really hope you got a little bit of idea what to purchase, what not to purchase. After all, it's your hard-earned money, and even if you are saving your money from your pocket money, and if you want to purchase that particular one product, that should really worth it. And these products really gave me hard time, you know, and that's why I just cannot recommend you these products. And I have given my personal thoughts and my points as well. Hope this will help. And if you already purchased it, what is your experience with these products? Do let me know in the comment section, because I would like to know if I have made any mistakes while understanding these products, because personally I think these products are really not worth it at all. So that's why I am recommending you not to purchase this. But at the end of the day, you are the boss of your own wallet, and you get to decide what you want to purchase, what you don't want to purchase. I always say this, right? And yeah, at the end of this video, all I can say, if you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that and you will get to see the video first. And I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Bye. And please spend your money wisely as well. Okay, bye.